Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to see pending deposits in the Bank of America mobile app so you can track incoming money before it fully posts to your account. To get started, open the Bank of America mobile app and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the checking or savings account where you're expecting the deposit. After opening the account, scroll down to your transaction list. Pending deposits usually appear near the top of the list and are labeled as pending. These can include things like direct deposits, check deposits, or transfers that haven't fully cleared yet. If you don't see the deposit right away, tap on Activity or Transactions to refresh the list. In some cases, pending deposits may not show until Bank of America receives the deposit file from the sender. You can tap on a pending deposit to see more details, such as the amount and the expected posting date. Keep in mind that pending deposits are not yet available to spend until they officially post to your account. If you're expecting a deposit and don't see it listed as pending, it may still be processing or scheduled for a later date. You can also check your account balance details to see if there's a difference between your available balance and current balance, which can indicate pending activity. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you find pending deposits in the Bank of America app, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.